Welcome to Training Bite Size. Today we're looking at what is arguably the single biggest opportunity we've seen in project management for decades. We're talking about the ultimate guide to AI in project management for 2026 and how it ties into the new AI Project Governance Framework certification. Now, we've watched this industry reinvent itself time and time again, from early BOK frameworks to the digital shift in certifications. But none of those changes really compare to what's happening right now with AI. It's not just a new tool, it's a transformation of how we actually deliver. There's a lot of noise out there, but if you ask a standard AI how it helps, it'll be very honest with you. It doesn't navigate office politics or hold accountability for a multi-million-pound project, but it can process thousands of data points in seconds. It can predict schedule overruns before they even appear on our radar. Essentially, it's replacing the project administrator, not the manager. It's taking the heavy lifting off our desks so we can focus on the strategic, human-centric stuff. But, and this is a major but, we have to be realistic about the risks. One of the biggest issues we're seeing in 2026 is shadow AI. This is when teams start using AI tools under the radar because the organization hasn't set clear rules yet. If you feed confidential client data or proprietary code into a public AI model, you are creating a massive security breach and potentially violating UK GDPR. And then there's the hallucination factor. AI sounds incredibly confident, even when it's completely wrong. You simply cannot let shadow AI dictate your project delivery. The question we get asked most is, how does this fit with what I already know? Well, the major frameworks, Prince2, APM, Agile, they aren't ignoring this. Prince2's 7th edition, for example, is placing a huge emphasis on data. But the core principle remains the same. The AI handles the data, but the human project board and the PM hold the accountability. You can't outsource leadership to an algorithm. So, the organizations that are going to win in the next 5 years are the ones that harness this power safely. To do that, you need a framework. You need to understand how to govern it, secure it, and integrate it ethically. That is exactly why the APM AI Project Governance Framework certification was developed. It moves us from guessing with AI to actually governing it. It's about being a forward-thinking professional who leads the transition rather than just reacting to it. Stop letting AI happen to your projects and start making it work for them. Thank you for listening. You can find more details about the AI Project Governance Framework certification on our website www.trainingbitesize.com.